One of the best hair oils for hair growth and thickness is jojoba oil. Since this oil has many characteristics of sebum, the natural secretion of the scalp, it is ideal for the hair. It doesn't interfere with the natural balance on our scalps or in our hair. Advantages of jojoba oil for hair. The oil deeply penetrates the hair shaft and works as a great moisturizer, and has several healing properties. Using the oil regularly will make your hair frizz-free and lend it a rich luster. The best part is that it boosts hair growth by helping in the growth of new hair cells. It acts against dandruff and thus reduces hair fall and protecting the hair. Jojoba oil is best for those who want to boost hair growth and control dandruff. It is also ideal for those with dry scalp issues and damaged and dull hair. How to use jojoba oil for hair growth. Just take a few drops on your palms or in a small bowl. Divide the hair through the scalp and apply it in sections on the hair and scalp. Leave it in at least for an hour before you wash it off, but for best results, use it overnight. Tip: you can also add a few drops to your conditioner as well. For shiny hair, use it at least once a week. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.